Seems that day I was not having good breakfast, so I just forgot the term diffraction. So in diffraction, it's a very big phenomena in photography which occurs when light waves bend and interface with each other, and it's causing a loss of sharpness. It's an optical effect that limits the resolution of a photograph. And why it is happening like this? Because when we are working with high f number and small aperture, so when light passes through a small opening like camera's aperture, the light rays spread out and interfere with each other at certain point. So this interference creates a diffraction patterns with areas of high light intensity and areas of low light intensity. So this pattern is called an airy disc, which is a circular pattern with bright rings around the center. So it's all about the diffraction. So diffraction can make your photos look blurry. It may appear blurry, but it's not something which you have done wrong or with anything wrong with your camera setting. It's just a limitation when you're working with high f number. So try to find your, we can say, the best value for the f number, taking photos with the f14 or higher, and take couple of 3-4 stops photos like f14, f16, something like that, and see that how the quality is coming, where you see that image starts appearing blurry. The smaller the aperture, the more the light diffracts. So that's the same thing you need to take care about, and it makes the image look softer. So it's not autofocus, that image may look blurry, softer. So that's something you need to take care about. So in my own workshops, I always advise my participants to start working with that small f number possible, so they can allow a lot of light to the sensors, so they will not feel any degradation in the quality which can create because of the diffractions. So I hope it makes everything clear. Thank you.